Yeah, got her stripped. Sorry I didn't film it. Had a choice of either filming what I was doing or listen to music. You know, copyright and all. So anyway, we got all the pieces over here. Hiding right there. All right. Yes, I removed everything nicely. I didn't break anything. I didn't, pry anything or bend anything. I'll find a new home for all those parts. No problem. So, some more stripping to do. Notice that there's a weight in the front of this thing. You can see that. Warning, do not take off. Well, I'm taking you off. All right. That was kind of fun. Not gonna lie. Like I said, I didn't wreck anything, didn't break anything, didn't bend anything. All those parts will find a new home. Not here, but they'll find a new home. So the next thing is pull that weight off the front. Start pulling more pieces and parts off it that we're not going to use. My seat should be here pretty soon, I'm hoping. Kind of relying on that. And start putting this thing back together. Oh yeah, it doesn't run. Why did I pull the body off and not worry about the mechanicals? Well, I know the engine turns over by hand, so I don't have a problem there. Well, I put it in gear and I rolled the bike head and the engine turned over. It turns, so it's not seized up. I got new timing belts, so we're gonna put on there for it. Cam seals, crank seal. What else? We got some carb kits coming. Still debating if I want to do the single carb conversion or not. I think in the meantime, we'll just see if we get this thing running as is. Oh, yes, I know my video camera equipment sucks. Okay with that. It's just a start. We'll see how far this goes. Oh well. You got nothing else to watch anyway, do you? You already watched all the Cletus videos and all the Boosted Boys videos and all the Dom videos and all the BS for Build videos, and you've already watched all those guys. Oh yeah, Garage 54. Watch those guys, they're funny as fuck. Anyway, like I said, we'll have this engineless truck on the channel with an engine. Yeah, so it's probably our next project. Well, we're picking away at the RX-7, but we'll see how far we get on that. Sorry, I didn't record too much of the bike strip down. I probably could have. For other Goldwing guys that are taking stuff apart, I probably could have showed you where pieces and parts were, but, oh, dude, I was having fun listening to music. The world we live in didn't want copyright strikes, so I made a decision. Yeah, I could have just blanked out the audio, but whatever. So, anyway, yeah, let's carry on. I went a little sideways. That's weird looking coolant. Draining coolant, I just have this little tiny tub. Oh well, it is what it is. I kind of made a little bit of a mess. That's okay. Oh, fingers on the little, get this out of the way. A little at a time, I guess. Because I got to address mechanicals on this thing. It's too late to go get another drain tub. Everything's all closed. I'll just do it this way. Gives the internet something to laugh at. Hey, look at this guy. Look at this fool. Gonna pull the valve covers off too. I need to do an overhead set. Yeah. Pull the timing covers off of it. Finally get this piece out of here. Like I said, I need to get the rat out of there before I pull that off. I didn't want to bend anything or break anything. Like I said, I'm building a Goldwing parts collection over there. So yeah, we're coming along though, for sure. Time to get the old fuel out of her. Some sediment down there. Okay. Oh, I did check this. I swept it. I turned the key on. I swept this. Hooked it back up. The gauge, it works fine. Yes, it does look all crappy, but I'm going to reuse it. It's one of those things that if at one point in time a fuel gauge stops working, I simply order another one of these up, throw it in. All right, well, it's my next task. Get rid of that. I know you're saying, hey, pull the fuel tank out of it, pull the fuel tank out of it. And I was going to pull the fuel tank out of it, but I got lazy. Kicking crap. So, always check your basics. I thought I had the fuel drained out of this tank. Valve open. Nothing coming out. Well, whatever's left in the hose. Watch this. Check your cap. This one's done for. Doesn't vent anymore. I should open the garage door though. The weird thing is this fuel doesn't even smell. Doesn't even smell like fuel. Unless I'm just smelt enough of it. Yeah, I better open the door.